Welcome to our CIS 405 group assignment part 2. Today, our presenters will be myself, Joseph Down, Jamie Barboza, Grace Gallagher, and Christopher Nickerson. The industry that we have chosen is business supplies. The organization is a fictitious one, and it is known as Office Superstore. Now, the business challenge that Office Superstore is facing at the moment is that they have been very inefficient with its allocation of its marketing strategies towards its various locations as well as various types of products. This is something that we would want to fix in the near future, given that the company has recently decided to increase its marketing budget to now be allocated towards these targeted locations.
Thank you, Joseph. Hello, everyone. Christopher Nickerson here. For our Office Superstore data, we were able to find a fictitious data set of sales records for office supplies. We found the data on Kaggle.com, but had to make a few modifications for this project. We had to add data for cost of goods sold, and did this by using ratios for all the different subcategories of products. We also generated profit data once the cost of goods sold calculations were complete. The data also needed to be cleaned and rearranged before importing into the Power BI software in order to read dates and such properly for our analysis. We went with this particular data set because it provided a large sample size of sales data, just under 10,000 rows of sales records, that included 17 different subcategories of business supplies to analyze. Using this large of a sample size of sales records enabled us to run analyses that would be seen in a real business environment.
The main question we wanted to look into through our data analysis and visualization was which locations and products have had the lowest sales for the Office Superstore. Knowing this can help our team make recommendations on marketing strategies for the company in the future. There are a few key factors and dimensions that are particularly important for this analysis, including sales, cost of goods sold, location, product category, product name, and region.
Hello, so I'll be talking about Office Superstore with the visualizations we created. Total company sales was 2.26 million, gross profit was over 700,000, and cost of goods sold just over 1.5. Here we have our forecasted sales for the coming year, and we are expected to hit just under a million, and cost of goods remains about the same with a few spikes throughout the month. As for sales, most of our sales are done in North America, with the second market being in Europe, particularly in Britain. And our average profit per customer is about $75.78. And here we have our year over year sales with a pattern here, a sharp decrease in February with an increase in March. We see that again in October and then in November as well. Finally, our top sales market was New York City, and the top product was our advanced copier. The smallest market for sales would be the city of Abilene, and the product would be our Eureka disposable bags. Thank you.
Research question was which are the lowest performing locations and types of goods sold that could benefit from additional marketing strategies. From our data analysis, we can see that the lowest performing locations and products sold were Abilene and the Eureka disposable bags, respectively. The next lowest performing cities and products weren't far behind, having each less than 10 in sales. Our recommendation is to investigate why sales are low in these areas and if a marketing effort would help raise sales. As far as our top performing locations and products, we recommend to continue marketing efforts as they are to continue the trend of high sales.